Hey there, Quick Chef friends! Are you tired of boring desk lunches that leave you crashing by 2 p.m.? Imagine a fresh, crunchy salad that's ready in 15 minutes, packed with protein and veggies to keep you energized all day. Today, we're making my go-to quinoa salad. It's easy, healthy, and oh so satisfying. I'm talking fluffy quinoa, crisp veggies, and a zesty lemon dressing that dances on your tongue. Perfect for busy young adults like you who want quick wins in the kitchen. Stick around as we gather our ingredients and whip this up together. If you're feeling that midweek slump, hit like and let's get cooking. This recipe serves four, so it's great for meal prep too. Trust me, your taste buds and waistline will thank you. First things first, let's grab our star ingredient, quinoa. It's a superfood powerhouse, gluten-free, high in protein, and cooks up in minutes. You'll need 1 cup of rinsed quinoa. Rinse it under cold water to remove any bitterness. Just swish it in a fine mesh strainer for 30 seconds. Fun fact, quinoa was a staple for ancient Incas and now it's fueling our modern hustle. Next, dice up your veggies for that satisfying crunch. Chop half a cucumber into bite-sized pieces, feel that fresh snap. Add a pint of halved cherry tomatoes for juicy bursts of sweetness. And don't forget a yellow bell pepper sliced into strips for color and vitamin C boost. We're building layers of flavor and nutrition here, making every bite a healthy adventure. As we prep, think about how this salad will make your week easier, no more sad sandwiches. Now for the greens and protein punch. Finely chop a handful of fresh parsley and mint, about a 1/4 cup each. These herbs bring that fresh, herbaceous vibe that elevates the whole dish. Smell that? It's like summer in a bowl. Drain and rinse 1 can of chickpeas. They're your plant-based protein hero, adding creaminess without the effort. If you're vegan or just love fiber, this is your jam. Toss in some crumbled feta if you want a tangy twist, but keep it optional for dairy-free days. Remember, this recipe is all about flexibility for your busy life. As we chop, let's chat about why quinoa salads rock for meal prep. They stay fresh in the fridge for days, saving you time and money. Pro tip: use a sharp knife for easy chopping. Dull ones are a workout you don't need. You're doing great, we're halfway to deliciousness. Time to cook the quinoa. This is the quickest part. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of vegetable broth to a boil. Why broth? It adds flavor without extra calories. Once boiling, stir in your rinsed quinoa, reduce heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 12 to 15 minutes until the grains are tender and the liquids absorbed. Fluff it with a fork like you're giving it a gentle hug. See those perfect little curls? While it cooks, let's talk health perks. Quinoa has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Pair it with veggies and you've got a meal that fights fatigue and keeps you full. If you're new to cooking grains, don't stress, this is foolproof. In the meantime, squeeze fresh lemon juice into a small bowl for our dressing. Half a lemon does the trick, bright and zingy. Can't you just taste the freshness already? Hang tight, the magic's happening on the stove. Quinoa alert, it's done. That nutty aroma filling the kitchen is pure bliss. Fluff it up and let it cool for a couple minutes. Warm quinoa works best for salads to absorb the dressing. Now let's mix our zesty dressing. In a jar, combine the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a minced garlic clove for that punch, salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup to balance the tang. Shake it vigorously, pretend you're mixing a cocktail. This dressing is light yet flavorful, keeping calories in check while boosting taste. As we prep, share in the comments, what's your favorite salad add-in? Avocados, nuts. The possibilities are endless. This step takes under a minute, proving healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Once mixed, set it aside. Our veggies are ready to star, and I'm getting excited. This salad is about to come alive with color and crunch. We're nailing this, easy peasy. Alright, assembly time. This is where the fun ramps up. In a large bowl, add your cooled quinoa as the base. Layer in those prepped goodies: the juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumber, vibrant bell pepper, chickpeas for hardiness, and scatter the chopped herbs on top. It's like a party in a bowl. Gently fold everything together with a spoon, no need to mash. We want texture. Pour in that zesty dressing and toss until every piece glistens. See how the lemon brightens the colors? It's mouthwatering already. As we mix, let's geek out on nutrition. This salad's loaded with antioxidants from the veggies, fiber for gut health, and quinoa for sustained energy, ideal for powering through your day. If you're meal prepping, divide into 4 containers now for grab-and-go lunches. Pro tip: add protein like grilled chicken or tofu for variety. Tossing is therapeutic, isn't it? Feel that sense of accomplishment building. You're creating something amazing. Keep tossing. Ensure the dressing coats everything evenly for maximum flavor infusion. If it seems dry, add a splash more lemon. Fresh is best. Now taste test time. Grab a forkful. Crunchy, tangy, herby, yes. Adjust seasoning if needed. A pinch more salt can make it pop. This moment is pure joy, like you've unlocked a secret to effortless healthy eating. Imagine packing this for work, colleagues eyeing your bowl enviously. As we perfect the mix, consider variations. Swap quinoa for farro if you want chewier grains, or add feta and olives for a Mediterranean twist. It's adaptable to your fridge finds, saving you a grocery run. Building this salad isn't just cooking, it's self-care in 15 minutes. Share below if you've got a quinoa hack. Community tips keep us all inspired. The energy in the kitchen is electric now. We're on the home stretch to plating perfection. Voila, our quinoa salad is tossed and tasting incredible. That first bite, the quinoa pops with nuttiness, veggies crunch satisfyingly, and the dressing ties it all with zingy brightness. It's fresh, filling, and under 300 calories per serving, guilt-free indulgence. As we savor, reflect on the journey, from rinse to toss in 15 minutes, proving quick, healthy recipes are doable even on hectic days. This isn't just food, it's fuel for your ambitions. If you're loving this, subscribe for more easy wins like sheet pan dinners or smoothie bowls. Hit that bell so you never miss a healthy hack. Now let's plate it up beautifully to make it Instagram worthy. Spoon into bowls, garnish with extra herbs or lemon wedges for that pro touch. See how the colors make your eyes happy? Eating well starts with looking good on the plate. You're a kitchen rock star, now own it. Plating moment, make it pretty because we eat with our eyes first. Divide the salad into bowls, piling it high for that abundant feel. Squeeze a fresh lemon wedge over top for extra zip and sprinkle a few reserved herb leaves. It's ready to devour. Close your eyes and take a bite. The flavors explode: sweet tomatoes, earthy quinoa, herby freshness. Ah, pure satisfaction. This dish is versatile too. Enjoy warm as a side, cold for lunch, or bulk it up with avocado for dinner. Health bonus, it's anti-inflammatory and supports heart health with all those good fats and fibers. As we wrap up the climax, pat yourself on the back. You've mastered a recipe that's quick, nutritious, and empowering. For busy 20-somethings, this is game-changing. Comment Quinoa Queen if you're trying it this week. Next, we'll dive into storage tips to keep it fresh. Now the best part, tasting. Fork in, lift that perfect scoop, crunch, burst, savor. It's everything I promised and more. The balance is spot on, leaving you refreshed, not stuffed. Share this with a friend over lunch. It'll spark those healthy convos. As we enjoy, let's talk real talk. Life's busy, but nourishing yourself shouldn't be a chore. This salad empowers you to take control, one easy step at a time. Feeling the energy boost already? That's the magic of Whole Foods. If you tweak it, like adding nuts for crunch, let me know in the comments. We're building a community of quick chef pros. Like if this made you hungry, and subscribe for weekly recipes that fit your vibe. Alright, fork down for a sec. We've got final tips coming up to make this a staple in your routine. To keep this goodness lasting, store in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 4 days. The flavors even meld better overnight, like it's marinating in awesome. For best texture, add dressing just before eating or store separately. Variation idea, make it spicy with chili flakes or add feta for creaminess. Customize to your mood or diet, gluten-free, vegan, you name it. This recipe scales easily, double for family or batch cook Sundays. As we conclude, remember, small kitchen wins add up to big health gains. You've got this, feel capable and excited? That's the Quick Chef way. Thanks for joining me today. Your support means the world. If this inspired you, smash that like button and share with a busy buddy who needs it. What's next on your healthy menu? Drop ideas below. And that's a wrap on our 15-minute quinoa salad adventure. From hook to happy belly, we've covered it all: simple, speedy, and seriously delicious. This is your ticket to healthier weekdays without the hassle. Go ahead, make it tonight and tag me in your pics. I love seeing your creations. If you're new here, welcome to Quick Chef, where fast meets fantastic. Subscribe now for more recipes that make you feel like a pro, like our next 10-minute stir fry. Hit like if you're adding this to your rotation and comment your favorite part. Thanks for cooking with me, you're amazing. Stay hungry for health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.